Hello, in front of me I've got ASUS Zenfone M2. Today I'll show you how to manage and find settings for your display. Firstly, go to Settings and then Display. We've got several options here. For example, brightness level, night light, and adaptive brightness. Also, you can change wallpaper from here. And set sleep timer from 15 seconds to 30. You can turn smart screen on. It extends the screen on time while you're looking at it and holding the device upright. Also, you can turn on auto rotate screen, change the font size, and change display size. Also, you can set screensaver, and add blink light. At the end, you can set new notifications to show when your cell phone is blocked, and set device to dark, light and automatic theme. If this video was helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.